Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Morton, local and long distance movers near me. Our professional movers understand how to make certain your long distance move doesn't include all the worry. We need to move 100 miles away or even 1,000 miles away, our team will help. Relocating isn't easy, but using the right services can certainly make it a lot easier. If you're looking for a standard move or a full service move, we provide all the options you require, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It may not be easy to justify the price of an Illinois moving company. A closer look at the advantages you get from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a smart choice. The time savings you get can make using the services of a moving company among the best choices you've made. You'll get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our moving team can make it easier for you to reach your new location without having nearly as much concern. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you get a structured solution for moving day. Even though your move is large enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Morton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.